Good afternoon, Mark here from MS. So today we're back on this field where we found the hammered, and today I'm going to try and but I'm going to use the 250 with the Nell tornado coil. We're going to see how it does on this field, and hopefully we can find another hammered. So we'll see you on the first ding ding. Cheers. So there's the first signal, guys. Let's see what we got. Said about 6 inches. Oh, the ground feels a bit better this time. Not so bad. Let's see if she's out. Still in there. Let's have a look now. So somewhere just on this side bit, let's see. Probably a can. Just check with the pinpointer. Nothing is yet. Sounding really good. Come back a touch. What we've got now? Still nothing. Let's check there. And then just on this side wall. Bloody hard digging. It's out. It's out, guys. That out the way. Just somewhere around here. Oh, right. And it is I don't know. Doesn't recognise it or anything. No. Just probably a scrap bit of metal. Okay, on to the next. So, proper ding ding on this one. Only 2-3 feet away from that other signal. Saying 6 inches. That doesn't mean no though, does it? No. Here we go with the stones again, as usual. Got a nice little hammer to do, actually. Let's see. Oh, it's out. It's out already. So that wasn't too bad, saying 6 inches. So let's have a little look on this one. That's another don't know. Oh, there's a bit of silver there coming through, look. Let's give it a quick, get my bottle out, guys, and wherever I put my bottle, in the other pocket, hold on. Let's give that one a quick squirt. I would say it's just aluminium. Okay, on to the next one. So, just got a nice signal. About one of the best of the day so far. And a lovely stony soil. Let's see if we can get a coin. Let's just check that and see where we are. If that ain't a coin, that's absolutely ringing perfect for a coin. Actually, let's go a little bit deeper. See if she's still in there. So it's still in there. Is that something there I can see? Could be on that side wall bit. Let's take a bit out. Oh. Would I? Oh. Right, camera gone again because it's still on the cable. There we go. Right, plug. Right. 2 seconds, guys. There we go. I'm stood on the cable, that's why. So, have a look. So, The usual diggeroo. This ain't a coin. No, I don't know what it'll be. The usual, trying to find them. Check depth. Definitely not deep. Cannot be any deeper than that, shall we? It's been a bugger. The side wall. We're getting down to. Shut up. Getting down to right hard soil now. Stones. I've got a feeling. Could be on this side. What a nightmare to find. Right in the side there. God's sake, stone there. Oh. Is it under there? Surely shifted it. Wow. It's been a bugger. All this, it's crap. Really? Oh man. It's a bit of an iffy one here. Give it a go. About 6 inches, saying guys. About 6 inches. No, it's not saying anything. How weird. No. Could be out. could be out, I reckon. Let's have a look. Pinpoint that. Could be out, might not be out. So as soon as we took it out, the signal went absolutely nothing. Nothing. Let's make sure that's not the camera stand. Totally gone. We could have knocked it out. So could have knocked it out. There we go. It looks like, looks small, and it is some kind of coin, that's for sure. Let's get my bottle out, give it a clean. Find my bottle. Could it be Roman? Could we have a Roman? My bottle now, hold on. Got the right zip. There we go. Right. Have we? A slight rub. See if we can get some on it. Ooh, that was pretty toasted, doesn't it? Try the back side. Focus your bugger, there we go. It looks pretty far gone, but I would say that's probably a Roman, misshaped, totally gone on that side. Look guys,
very little detail on there. So we got our coin, that's the main thing. We'd like to get our coin. Okay, let's go to the next.
right guys, another signal, just exactly like the last one. Very bit sketchy, but exactly like the last one. So we'll have a look, see what we get. So go over it again, see if it's any better. So it could be out. So let's pinpoint it. It is out. So it wasn't that deep. Oh, and it is. It's a. I would say. Oh, just turn that off a minute. What do you reckon, guys? The straight edge, it's not get on there. Look. I'll put a bit of water on it. I think it's top of a shotgun shell, actually. That looks of it. Just put a bit of water, clean it up, just see if we can put anything on there noticeable. We'll do it together. But I would say, yeah, looking at it now. Quick rub. Looks like the top of the shotgun shell. Yeah, okay, on to the next then. Right, I've got a feeling this might be a tin can, 2 inches. Can't be nothing special, can it? Let's see what bit of junk metal we get out. Oh, there it is, guys. Whatever that is. A quick rub. So it's got a smiley face on it. On the back. Oh no. So no markings on it. So it's some cap or something. I thought it was a big bloody big penny then. Yeah, well, on to next. Right, got signal, guys. We'll check this one out. About 6 inches, it was saying. Oh, at least the ground's a bit better here. So just give that a quick scan, see if it's got a better signal on it now. Forever changing. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Let's have a scan with the pointer. See if we get out. Let's see if that signals with a bit of mud, see if it's got a little bit better. So it's saying it's out. Saying it's out. Pinpoint again. Yeah. Well, it must be minute. I think it's a big. I think it's a big washer. It's a CCR, as Cleggy says. Yeah. Okay, on to next. Another iffy one, guys. Let's say I've got the Nell tornado coil on today. A little bit deeper. Get deeper in the ground. And it seems to be proving its point. It's getting deeper. So, see if it sounds any better now. So now it's got a touch of iron in it now. So my pinpoint skills need to be a bit better. Right, I think it's going to be junk at the end of the day, but hey ho, we're out in the fresh air, doing a lot of walking. It can only be good for you, can only be good for you. Strange, very strange signal again. Okay. Well, that's what it was, guys. Turn the pinpoint off. Some brass or copper plate. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, next one then. Hey guys, I've had a signal for quite a while now. So, let's put that back up. This one didn't sound too bad, so I'm going to dig it. Looks quite deep, apparently. Would be, wouldn't it? There we go. Big nasty old stone in the way. Big people think I'm mad. Walking the dog and I'm talking to myself. Right. Oh, possibly out. But we never know, do we? We never know. Turn it on, might help. Beautiful, perfect. Where is she again? Oh, it's ringing up a good one. Here. That it? My pinpoints are off. Yeah. It is. It's green, that's what I know. It's green. A lot of crap on it. Could be a button. Could be a coin. I don't really get a note off it. But it looks like it. I reckon it could be a button that's got a little thing in the centre there. I reckon it's a button. Not quite green on the other side though. Okay, what's the next? Well, like we said at the beginning of the video, we're out with the Garrett 250 and a Nell Tornado coil. It's doing alright. It's going 8+ on the depth all the time. Signals are crap. Possibly one Roman today. Some buttons. Some crap. It's not a good day today. I'm my way down the bottom of the field towards the car. And if the oak comes up nice, I'll let you know. Cheers, guys. So, have I got my first coin? It's deep and stony as per normal. See if it sounds any better.
No.
Well, it's a possibility. It's a possibility. That could be. Hold on. Hang on. That might help. Move that out of the way, it's pinging in here like mad. What is it? What is it? I can't see bugger all. Back here? No. No.
Really? Bloody nail. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, nearly there.
So just having a fag break, guys. That is basically it. Pretty crap day again. I think next weekend we'll be going onto some pasture. So hopefully a bit better look at here. I think got all around the hot spot here, and I say possibly another Roman today, but it's so corroded. It's unreal, do you know what I mean? So I don't know. So I'll have a fag. Another, looks like it's slowly getting down to sunset. It's a lovely fag for 10-15 minutes. Hopefully get a decent coin. That's what I want, a decent coin. Yeah, so I normally walk out with one decent coin, but we'll keep going. Another 10-15 minutes and see how we get on. In a bit, guys. So that's it, guys. Been out for, I don't know, 3.5 hours maybe. Basically, that's how metal detecting goes sometimes. It's just don't find bugger all or just crap. You know, it's a lot of luck. You've got to walk over it and it's a lot of luck. That's how it goes. So probably this video will be called "This is how metal detecting really is." 3 hours, 3.5 hours with absolutely nothing to show. Possibly one Roman coin, but it's so badly roasted like they are on here. That's 3 we've had off here now, off the non-Roman field. There you go. I'm gonna have to go home now. Wash my stuff. Pinpot is absolutely covered in crap. Unbelievable. It's starting to get quite dark now. I don't know what the time is. What is it? 20 past 3 maybe. So yeah, it's a good 3.5 hours out. Hopefully that one coin. Normally get a decent coin off there, but absolutely nothing today. I tried all different areas. Around the hotspot was absolutely dead. So maybe next week, I think, hopefully we're gonna go to a bit of pasture. What we got. Let's hope we can have a better time on there. So until then, guys, thanks for watching. Nothing really. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye.